Hi, and welcome to assignment 14, electronics games columns. So today we're going to take a look at how to make columns from information. So the first thing that you need to do, I've already done it, is type out all the information. So you'll notice here on the left-hand side, we have electronic games, company, list of the companies. Then right away we have game and a list of the games. So you don't want to set it up or try to set up as two columns. We want to write all the information down one side of the screen, and we're going to force the computer to put it into columns and space it nicely for us using the built-in formatting. So now that I've got everything built in, I'm going to first of all take my electronic games and I want to make it capital. So I go up here, change case, I want all uppercase, and I want this centered. Next, I'm going to do my two columns. So I'm going to highlight all of my games and companies. I'm going to go to page layout and I want to do columns. Now I'm going to go to more columns just so I can get a little bit more detail. So I want to go with two columns, and when we take a look, it says we want the first one at 1.5 inches and the second one at 3.5. Okay, so you can manipulate that here by changing your widths and the spacing between them. Or you can do it using the actual tab feature. So we want our second one to start at 3.5. So to do that, my width plus my spacing has to add up to 3.5. So I'm going to go 2.5 plus a spacing of 1. It automatically keeps adjusting. I don't want equal column widths. That's my problem. So I'm going to go 2.5 space of 1, and let's see what happens when we do this. So we have our two columns, and there we can see. So it nicely split it. Everything worked out well. We can see here we are at 2, 2.5, 3, and this one we need to indent. So I can highlight the whole thing and push it into 1.5. And so you can start playing with things. Now the nice thing is up at the top you can see clearly indicates I have one column in white, second column in white. The spacing in between is a darker color. We can grab the edge of that and move it around. And when I click up here on electronic games, you'll notice there's no columns. If I want to change or insert a new column, this one happens to line up perfectly. But if I go to Nintendo, I can go to breaks and I can insert a column break, and it will force that onto the next page, or sorry, the next column. Obviously I don't want that, so I'm going to press Control Z to get rid of it. And here are my two columns. So now you can do the rest of the formatting and turn your assignment in.